Hey guys, it's Ashley from Ahew's Design. Today I'm going to teach you how to create your own custom desktop background so that you can keep your files on your desktop nice and organized like I have here. And I apologize in advance if I'm hacking or coughing or sneezing. I've got a little bit of a cold going on that I can't kick yet. So anyway, you are going to need PowerPoint for this. It's super easy to do and you will be able to customize your own. You can even add clip art, do whatever you need to do to organize it in your own way. So first thing, you're going to open up a blank PowerPoint presentation. And then second, you're going to need to figure out how wide, or not how wide, but the dimensions of your screen. So to do this, there's a couple different ways. This way, if you're on a Mac, go click the apple in the top left corner, go to About This Mac, and click on Displays, and it will tell you how big your display is right here in pixels. Another easy way, which I went to the grab feature or the screen capture. Go to capture, click screen, click off the screen somewhere. It's going to capture your whole entire screen. Go to edit, copy, and then just exit out of that screen capture. You don't have to save it. You can if you want. And then go into your presentation. I default to 12 by 12 when I open up PowerPoint just because I do a lot of product previews in PowerPoint. So go ahead and paste that screen grab that you did in there. Picture format, and it will tell you 7.5 by 12. So the background that you're going to need to make is going to have to be 7.5 by 12 inches. So I'm going to go to a new slide. I'm going to insert a square, and I'm going to make that square 7.5 by 12. And this will just be the outline. I'm going to fill it with nothing, make the outline black. So this is the area that I need to fill because this represents my whole screen. And keep in mind, if you're on a Mac, you have the bottom section down here, your menu, whatever it's called, that you'll need to kind of avoid. So to create your little boxes, I did stripes. You can do vertical, you can do different shape boxes, you can do circles, you can do whatever you want. I'm going to create horizontal boxes just like mine is, but honestly, feel free to do whatever you want. So you're just going to insert, I'll show you how I did that. Went to shapes, you're going to insert a square. This is the first one I did. You can make it this whatever colors you want. Go to shape format. I have no outline. Let's see. Pink, mine is like a light pink, so I'm going to choose that. And then all I'm going to do is hit Command D and it will duplicate it and drag it down. And the nice thing about the newest updated PowerPoint is that it gives you much better guidelines and so that you can see that you're lined up perfectly. You can change colors. Again, I'm going to hit Command D to duplicate. I'm going to make this one a little bit darker. And just keep in mind the types of files that you have and how many different sections you need. I just made it look like my brand. So I want a really skinny pink one at the bottom. And then I want these three to be a little bit bigger, but I want them all to be the same size. So I'm going to click those three, click Command Option G to group them, or you can right click and group. And then you're going to expand them, resize them all at the same time. So they'll be the same, they'll be the same size. And then make sure it looks good, make any tweaks that you need to, and I actually added my logo in the bottom corner right here. You can add clip art, you can, mine used to look like this. I had different boxes on the right and the left, they were different colors because I was in the classroom and I had so many files that I was working with on top of TPT and graphic design stuff. But right now I just strictly have a small amount of files that I work with, so I have less boxes. So if you're happy with how you created your desktop background, you're going to select all the pieces, group them together. Again, I hit Command Option G, which grouped all the pieces together. And make sure that you don't get that outline. You can even delete that if you want. You can even right click and it'll group it for you. When you're all done, right click it, you're going to go save as picture, and you can save it as desktop save it on your desktop or wherever you want. It'll give you a few different options of what you want to save it as. I always do PNG file. Save it. Alright, now to install it, you're going to minimize that. And here's what mine looks like currently right now. So the one that we just made is just slightly different. I think the pink is darker. So you're going to go to your system preferences, go to and make sure that your file is on your desktop actually, because it won't pull it if it's hidden in a file somewhere. So go to desktop and screensaver, and you're going to select from one of your folders the desktop and select that file that you just made and exit out, and there you go. Now you can move all your files around, organize them, make it nice and neat. And if you get it up here and it doesn't appear how you want it to appear, just go back into the PowerPoint file, tweak it a little bit, and then save it again and try it again. So that was really easy, and it just kind of gives you a little bit more more customization for organizing your desktop. And if you have any questions, feel free to message me through the website or put something in the comments below. And I hope that was helpful and easy for you guys. All right, thanks.